guys, welcome back to my channel, Abby's Awesome World. If you're new to my channel, I'm Abby, and what we are going to do today is I have all my fidgets, and I'm going to be showing you all of them, and then I'm going to be popping it. You guys won't see it, but it'll be right here, so you can see a little bit of it. So yeah, but before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my other videos that I will post. So, I would like to give my first shout out to Bexley Drake. She is my best friend and she has a YouTube channel. Make sure to go check it out, like, and subscribe to her channel. Okay, but first, I have one more thing. I'm going to see if you can like and subscribe before I can do this. In 3, 2, 1, no. This. Wait, no. This. Still no. This. Nope. See, in 3, 2, 1. Did you win? Comment down below if you did it. And before I pop this. Okay, so now let's get to it. Okay, so first I'm doing my big poppet, my 100 poppet. Okay, so you can see a little bit of it, and here we go. So guys, I'm outside right now, so you might hear like birds chirping and stuff. That's okay. I am about to finish 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I'm 10 more than half. Let's keep going. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. It actually goes by faster than you think. It looks like a lot, but actually, it goes by pretty fast. And now you'll definitely be able to hear this, because this is the good side. I can't count because it goes so fast, and I'm doing like a lot at a time. That was my 100 poppet. Next poppet. Time for my milkshake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29. I'm on the good side, so I'm not going to count because it goes really fast. And you guys know how much it is. Milkshake. I'm on to the popsicle. Oops. And if you guys did not know, there's actually ABCs on here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I didn't realize that until I got it in the mail. And that's actually pretty cool, because it didn't show it on where I got it. Good side. onto my galaxy poppet. Good side. Onto my mini poppet. That was all my poppets. Make sure this was part 1. Now it's time for part 2 when I come back. That is my rest of my fidgets. Have a scooterific day.